till I got funny to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a special video for you, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install.
The things you do and they're doing it better too.
Today's hair sponsor is Afsister Wig. We love Afsister Wig. If you guys want to get a really good wig every single time, check them out. They have good lace, good hair, good everything. Like, the wigs don't come with a bad smell. The quality is silky on. It's just what you expect it to be. It is always. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch Skin Melt full lace wig, the 360 degrees, delicate hairline, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to wear. This wig also comes with Swiss lace. It is invisible. It matches every single skin tone. So if you're light skin, dark skin, it does not matter. It's gonna match you. I love that. I always love the meltdown on these wigs because it is some of the best. Stick around for the install and the unboxing. This is voiceover Kes coming in, and I just wanted to pop in real quick. I'm going to be popping in throughout the review if I need to, and I'm going to be giving my final thoughts at the end. But why I'm here doing voiceover is because this wig is special, y'all. This is not like your average wig, okay? It has special features that I need to talk about so you guys can actually understand what you're getting when you purchase this wig. Now, of course, it has the Swiss lace. It matches all skin tones. We know that, yeah. But what it also has is the invisible strap. So this strap makes it securable. You can tighten it and you don't have to use glue at the back. So you just pull on these two little knot sections here at the back where the strap is, and it's going to tighten the back. It's going to make it snug. I don't know how else to explain it. It's going to scrunch in and it's going to give you a really tight hold where it looks like it's secured down at the back, but it's not. Believe me, this is a major accomplishment in the wig technology game, because most wigs that have glueless wigs or 360 or lace wigs, they just don't offer this. So I love that this wig offers that, and the straight texture is chef's kiss, y'all. Ooh, let's get into it. I'm gonna pop back in later on to give my final thoughts, but until then, enjoy the rest of this without me in your ear. What I'm going to do is cut off the back portion. That's this portion of the wig. I know it looks like it's all the same, but where the comb is, I'm going to cut off just a little bit of that. Just tighten this section. I'm going to try it on and see if I like it that way, but see how it's scrunched in like that. Okay, put it on. Just have my hair in a ponytail. You can wear a ball cap if you want. So I think I can scrunch a little bit more. The tighter you pull it together, the more snug it'll fit. Look at that. You should be able to wear this wig without gluing the back. Careful not to cut the invisible strap. I tuck those little straps inside, so it should look like this when you're about to put it on. So we are gonna have to cut the ear. Make sure you don't cut that strap because it is invisible. Look at that lace, y'all. It's gonna be a flawless melt. I love their lace. Afsister has some of the best lace and the best hair. Like, I don't know how they do it every single time, but they do. Gold hold, liquid gold. The lace just fits so nicely on my head. Can you see that? I haven't worked with this product in a really long time, the Bold Hold. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna turn out, if I'm gonna like wanna use it again. Ooh. Some product. Okay, so now we can cut off any extra lace that we don't want. Okay, so there is some pieces still flapping up. We're gonna add some more product too. Use some of this lace melt, okay, by Evan. Look at that HD lace. There's no lace tint on this lace. Now I remember why I stopped using that product. It's pretty messy. I'd say you're better off with just the Evan spray. Thin these sideburns out just a little. This stuff, I don't know. This stuff caused a lot of problems for me, so I had to go off camera and just fix the hairline. Hey, I'm back. I don't know why I feel like I have to announce that, but I'm so cringe. Oh my god, guys, this is why I don't do voiceovers. But you can see that I'm putting the hair up in the ponytail. I'm like, oh wow, this is really gonna work. Oh, it's actually working. But I was a little afraid to put it up because I didn't want to pull on the hairs on the back too much. But I realized later on that I was just tripping. You don't have to worry too much about the back part. You can put the hair up more, so you can just readjust it. But you can see those little baby hairs. It's just there to make the wig look more natural so you can't see the lace. I think this concept is so unique and so flattering. It looks so natural with the natural hairline, like it really is that girl. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a Caviar Kez review unless I showed you it in its natural. This is the wig, like pretty much if you just want to wear it in the middle part bust down. Now I do think that they could have added a couple more knots of hair towards the middle of the part, but I get it, that's the natural hairline, so I'm okay with it. It looks beautiful nonetheless, you guys. Bust down middle part eats, and it's so silky, like one pass with the flat iron and it's gonna get bone straight. I love that. I did wash this wig since then and it dries so nicely. It doesn't even need to be straightened. I love it. It gets a 10 out of 10. I really recommend it. The lace looks so good without foundation. If you want a wig that you can just wear with makeup and without, this is that girl. I was super impressed. Enjoy the slow motion and the little closeout of the video. I'll catch you guys later. Don't forget, the link will be in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase this. Save some coins by using the discount code.
I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Minding my health and I thought I needed, I can see it. Need more healing, more believing, less deceiving. I don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could, like I know I could, like I know I should, like I know I could, like I know I could, like
This is what the wig looks like in its natural state when it's worn down. Oh my god, you guys. If you could only feel this hair. It's so natural looking. Like honestly, this is what a celebrity would be wearing. The hair is super silky. The lace is amazing, invisible. And you can do updos. You can just do so much. Like look at it. Oh. Anyways guys, that is all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.